Unlock the world of global payments and get paid easily from anywhere with your brand new Payoneer account. First, head over to the Payoneer website. You'll see a prominent sign up or get started button. Click that to begin your journey. On the sign up page, you'll need to provide some basic personal information. Fill in your first name, last name, and a valid email address. Make sure this email is one you check regularly. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your contact details, including your country of residence and physical address. If you're signing up as a business, you'll need to provide your company information. Now, let's secure your account. Create a strong, unique password. You'll also be asked to set up a security question, which is crucial for account recovery. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click Continue or Next to proceed to the next crucial step. Payoneer will ask you a few questions about how you plan to use their service, such as receiving payments from freelance clients or selling on international marketplaces. Be honest and select the most relevant options. This is where you connect Payoneer to your local bank account. Click on a bank account and input your bank name, account number, and routing number or SWIFT code, depending on your country. To ensure account security and compliance, Payoneer will likely ask for verification. This usually involves uploading a copy of your government's ID, like a passport or driver's license, and potentially a proof of address. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Congratulations, your Payoneer account is now set up and ready to go. You can now receive payments from clients and businesses worldwide, manage your funds, and easily transfer them to your linked bank account, all while benefiting from competitive transaction fees. Start expanding your business and streamlining your finances globally by signing up for Payoneer today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.